Two birds, one stone. The text screen lights up. Hey, just checking on you. Slowly my phone lights up the dark room. I try to reach out, but my arms are too tired to lift. I can't remember the last time I ate. Haven't heard from you in a while. I try to roll over, but the shadows hold me in place. My hair is matted, and I can't remember the last time I took my shower. Hey, that party was great. I can't believe you bought shots for everybody. My room is lit up and my clothes are organized for the next 3 months because I know that eventually it'll stop. Hey, I know you did a double yesterday, but do you really think you could come in early? We need the help. Sleep. What sleep? Who needs sleep when you've got all this energy? I pick up my phone and I call my friend crying because there's a man in my room and I can't tell if he's real or not there. We check the house, but I'm the only one there. Two beings are living inside one body, up, down, the cycle repeats and you can't get off. What they don't tell you when you have bipolar disorder is it will cause you to rip your life in half because you've got one side pulling you this way and another side pulling you this way. Like two songs trying to drown out each other, stuck on repeat. Low, high, a never-ending cycle, and all I want is off this carousel. Thank you.
Mikayla Francis.